Extreme weather conditions continue to batter Italy, with many regions affected by torrential rainfall, highly charged thunderstorms, and landslides, and some even receiving unseasonable summer snow.
이탈리아 전역이 폭우, 강한 뇌우, 강풍과 산사태 등 연일 이상기후에 시달리고 있는 가운데 일부에서는 심지어 때이른 폭설까지 내린 것으로 전해졌습니다. 아니, 웬 여름에 눈이에요?
Yeah, so I'm wondering, if global warming has anything to do with this, but the region that has been receiving this unseasonable summer snow is actually pretty close to where the 2006 Winter Olympics was held, apparently. So it's in
Yeah.
a very high altitude region.
The Torino Winter Olympics.
Yeah. So they say that they do occasionally receive a little bit of snow during the winter, but they say it's been about 10 years since they last saw
Yeah.
that. So it's very unseasonable. And there's been thunderstorms that's just dumping a lot of water in various cities across Italy. There's been, other places they say that they had a lot of snow that they actually had to get snow plows to
Wow.
remove the snow.
아니, 이게 웬 말이에요. 지금 한여름에 그 제설 작업을 하고 있다라는 얘기가 들려오고 있는데, 여기서 구체적으로는 서북부 지역에 있는 세스트리에레라고 하는 지역입니다. 거기 갑자기 어제 눈이 왔다고 해요.
Yeah.
이게 이제 사실 지역적으로 봤을 때 동계올림픽이 2006년도에 치러졌던 장소 중에 하나입니다. 거기 스키잉을 거기서 했었죠.
Yeah.
그러니까 눈이 원래 없는 곳은 아니에요.
Yeah, yeah.
그렇지만 한여름에 이렇게 오는 건 10년 만에 처음이네요.
Yeah, it's been,
Yeah.
I can't imagine.
You wake
seeing
up,
snow
I know.
in the middle of summer.
It's still technically August, so I mean, wow, that's very early and unseasonable.
Unseasonable.
Let's
right.
have a look at those expressions then.
Okay, so the region or Italy was battered. Our extreme weather conditions are continuing to batter Italy. And when we say batter, you kind of get reminded of the word bat,
Yeah.
which is used in baseball, but it means to strike repeatedly with hard blows. So the area was battered with, we could also say it was pummeled with.
Yeah.
So hard rain, something pouring down or pounding down repeatedly.
그러니까 날씨 얘기를 할 때 우리가 정말 많이 보는 표현인데요. 강타하다,
Yeah.
pummel, batter, hit 다 마찬가지로
Right.
동사인데요. 굉장히 여러 번 반복적으로 때리다라는 의미가 원래 있습니다.
Right.
그래서
So,
강타하다.
recently we had the typhoon, so we
Yes.
could say the southern regions of Korea was battered by
Yeah.
the typhoon recently.
Exactly. 이렇게 날씨 관련된 뉴스에서 많이 나오는 표현들이 되겠고요. batter라는 동사, rain battered the area, thunderstorms battered the area, or a hurricane battered the area 이런 식으로 쓸 수 있고요.
Right. So we wouldn't use it with light rain.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
right. It has to be quite heavy. What about unseasonable?
Right. So unseasonable, it's kind of like, what when we used unafraid.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so it's kind of related. So unseasonable means it's not in season or unusual for this time of year. So we could use this for we're seeing an unseasonable cold spell. For example, if it was in the middle of summer, or we're seeing an unseasonable warm spell when it's in the middle of winter.
그래요. season이라는 단어가 들어가 있기 때문에 계절적으로 봤을 때 이게 이상하다라는 얘기가 되겠죠. 지금 여름인데 웬 눈? 이런 느낌이 다 들어가 있어요.
Yep.
It's very unseasonable summer snow. 자, 다시 한번 읽어보겠습니다. Extreme weather conditions continue to batter Italy, with many regions affected by torrential rainfall, highly charged thunderstorms, and landslides, and some even receiving unseasonable summer snow.